All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get ready to do a maintenance day, and I'm gonna get my lashes and nails done. I'm gonna get a wax because I look a mess, and then later on I'm gonna get my hair braided because I done washed it already. So I'm not gonna do too much talking on this video. I'm gonna just let the video talk for itself. I might come in here and there and talk on the video, but yeah. So my name is Ivory. If you're new to this channel, I do vlogs, lifestyle, teaching, because I am a teacher. And yeah, I know I haven't been back in a while, but that's for another time. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get ready to get that done, and I will see you guys later in the video.
seconds and it's starting right now. Shot like you love me, it's special, different. Face up, made a banger. Time you keep on my feet, time you keep on my feet, you keep me on my feet. Happily excited about, give me things to think about.
I'm gonna get the 14-ounce rib steak, well done, with garlic butter as well. And then let me get the broccoli cheese casserole and the southern green beans.
Subscribe.